boys and girls, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday, March the 25th, 2022, almost weekend. We have 2 puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Yes, but first we will solve this binary puzzle number 4312 4312. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's without comparing. In 2 minutes. Cannot believe this. Quicker than quick. I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.